Do you also want to teach your baby English in a very lovely and natural way? So this is one of the best time to talk with your baby, like before going to bed. Yes, because at that time your babies are very calm, relaxed and listen to your voice very carefully. Okay, so you know what, I have seen many parents, they want to teach their children English, but they don't have any idea like where to start, what to say first. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how I talk with my baby in English before going to bed, like bedtime conversation. You can say that. You can say that. Okay. So before wasting our time, let's dive into the video. So actually, the first point is that getting ready for bed. Let's change your clothes. Let's put on your pajama. And after changing her cloth, I appreciate her. I praise them like you look good today. Okay, so in this way I usually talk with her. The second thing is that going to bed. Yes, going to bed, like I usually say to her, Kavya, are you feeling sleepy? Okay, so let's lay down together. Then I ask to her, are you comfortable with that? Here is your blanket. Here is your blanket. Are you comfortable with that? Let's get cozy. Mama is right here with you, so you don't need to be worried about that. Okay, I usually say with her. And you know, sometimes I ask her like a bedtime story. Yes, so sometimes I ask her, would you like a story? So let's read a book together. So I just said to her like, look at this picture, how beautiful it is. Like there is a small bunny and the small bunny is going to sleep. The small bunny is going to sleep. Now it's your turn to sleep. Okay, and your time to sleep. And the next thing is that before sleep, like after laying down, before sleep, yes, we talk about our days. We usually talked about our days, like what did you do. Like I ask my baby, I know she cannot give me answer, but at least she is listening everything. Yes, so I asked, Kavya, did you have a good day today? Then I share some lines with her like, we laughed together today, we played together, and you made me very happy today. You made me very happy today. So you know, I said to her like, you are very you are my little charming, you are my little star, you are my precious gift. So in this way I just talked her in English so that she will feel very happy. Okay, and the last one is that good night. So I say with her, Kavya, now it's time to sleep. Good night. Just take a deep breath, relax and sleep well. Seeing the next morning, okay beta. So good night, sweet dream. So in this way I try to talk with my baby every day. And the good thing is that you don't need perfect grammar and perfect English here. Yes, you can use with your daughter in a very natural and very easy sentences. Yes, so this is the way I usually talk with my daughter, and no doubt she is started understanding my every word. You know, from she is right now 11th month old, and she just started giving me reaction. I know she cannot give answer right now, but yes, she is able to understand everything. Okay, so if you want to learn your child in English, so please try this method. This is very helpful method, I tried every day. So if you found this video, please guys, like and subscribe my channel. And till then, keep building, keep creating videos, and then see you in the next video. Bye bye.